Abuti.
Dumelang bana.
Can you teach us how to say my name is in Setswana?
Leina lameke abuti.
That sounds easy. Show us some more.
Dumela. Leina lameke abuti.
Dumela, leina la me ke ausi.
Dumela. Leina lameke abuti.
Dumela, leina la me ke Sarah.
Okay, stop for a second. Let me explain. Leina means name. And lame means of mine. The ke in this context means is. So we're really saying name of mine is.
Dumela. Leina lameke abuti.
Dumela, leina lameke Joseph.
Dumela nswa. Leina lameke abuti.
And now you can say my name is in Setswana. Goodbye Abuti. Goodbye kids. See you next time.